Okay, this short video is going to show you how to create an HTML file or a web page using just Notepad, a text editor. So I'm Mr. Gardner, with me is Mr. Collins.
Hi. Yep.
And so the tool we're going to use for this is called Notepad. All Windows computers, whichever version of Windows you've got, will have Notepad, and it looks like this. It's a text editor. You can't do any formatting like you can in Microsoft Word. All you can do is write some text. And it's usually used to keep notes, but you can also use it to create web pages. So first thing we're going to do is open Notepad. It's under Start, All Programs and Accessories. And then I'm going to type in some gobbledygook. So just here, I'm going to put Hello World. And then I'm going to put these things called tags. Now tags use triangular brackets outside them, and the one at the bottom also has a slash. The triangular brackets are above the shift, so you have to use shift and then they're above comma and full stop on the keyboard. So you might want to pause a video at this point if you're going to recreate this for yourself, but once you've done it, you need to save it. So I'll go to the File menu.
This is a really important bit now.
Yeah, this is important. Choose Save As instead of Save, because you've got to be quite careful about how you save it if you want it to work as a web page. So here's my documents, or my fake documents anyway, and I'm going to go into my ICT folder, and I might create a new folder in there called My Web Page.
Sounds like a good name for it.
And then in there, I'm going to save it. But don't just put a file name in, okay? I want you to first of all change the Save As type to All Files, and then put something very particular, which is index.html. Make sure you get those letters in the right order. What's the order, Mr. Collins?
It would be H, and then a T, and then M, and L.
Yeah, very good. Once you've done that, you can press Save. Okay, and I'm going to minimize Notepad and see in here if in my ICT folder I've got a web page folder. Yes.
Good start.
Oh, and there we go. We've got index.html. Now you'll know this has worked correctly if you've got the little Internet Explorer or other web browser icon next to your file. If you accidentally saved it as a text file, then you'll see just a little picture of a notepad, and it won't work when you try and open it. But if you've got the little Internet Explorer icon, you can just double-click that file, and it will open Internet Explorer. And there you go. It says Hello World. And I've made a web page. It only says one thing, Hello World, but it does work. And you can now go through a cycle of improvement if you want. This is fun. Go to the File menu. Because I've already saved it as index.html, I can just press Save. Okay, and then I'll go back to my web page. But it hasn't changed. Mr. Collins, what can I do to check whether it's worked?
Well, what you need to do now is actually go and click refresh, which is just to the right-hand side of the URL.
Little wheel. Yeah, it says refresh.
And that circular icon.
So press that and see what happens.
And hopefully it'll work. There it
is. So there you go. That's how easy it is to make an HTML file.